about the right and about the number. Now let me explain to you what really is involved on those numbers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out actually a bathroom remodeling budget for a bathroom remodeling. All right, so this is actually just a full bathroom remodeling. Now this is the waterproofing part. So those numbers include two things: include the tiling, includes the waterproofing. And why waterproofing is super important? Let me explain. Started from this. So the waterproofing, first thing, this will be one of the bathrooms. It will be bathtub. So first thing we start by putting a plastic, 6mm plastic around the inside, and then we seal against the bathtub. That's the first way to waterproofing. And probably you're asking why we do that. So let me explain to you what we found behind the walls when it's not proper waterproof the space. See right here, this, when it's not proper waterproof, this is what you find over the years. And this will give you a smell, will give you more behind the walls. And the last thing is have a call from you saying that, Freddy, something is smelling. And when you open up the wall on the other side, this is what we got. So a little bit of water is all we need to make sure that the mold is growing. Alright, to prevent that, waterproofing is very crucial. So that's one of the big reasons, or the main reasons, waterproofing is very essential in the bathroom. Alright, now, so that's the first layer. When the full waterproofing is done, it's going to be something like this. So then we go either a synthetic board or concrete board, and then go one more layer with waterproofing, and this is the Regard. I forgot the word. It's a product that we apply over the waterproofing product. Now that's for a bathroom with a bathtub. Now let me show you a bathroom without the bathtub, a stand-up shower, which is gonna be on the master suite. If you see right there, this is the Go board. This is the synthetic product. We put it where the tile is gonna be, and then in the walls, I'm sorry, in the floor, something like that. Now in your bathroom you have a curve. We have a curve right here, like this. So it's gonna be the waterproofing to here, but you're gonna have to put a concrete pad in here after the plumber do the first membrane below. We got the concrete pad, and then we got the waterproofing or everything around, something like this, something big, either concrete board or synthetic board, and then basically apply another thing. And same thing, we do a plastic all the way through inside to make sure there is no problem. The last thing is you have a mold problem, and we see so many problems in the past. It will be crazy expensive to fix a problem, and to fix the problem you got to remove all the tile, all the work you just done to redo it. It's not worth it. Okay, so that's what the numbers includes. Now let me just go through the numbers quickly with you. So let me just share with you what actually pricing look like for a bathroom remodeling. Again, this is just a bathroom remodeling, and this is the waterproofing part. It's just the waterproofing for this. It's the waterproofing. It's $12,220 just for one bathroom to make it right. And again, this is the first floor, and obviously it's more expensive because we do the floor right here as well. So just to maintain, if something happens on the bathroom, everything will be contained on the bathroom. This bathroom is on the second floor. So the whole idea is, if for example a toilet overflows for any stock or anything like that, everything being contained into the bathroom, and you don't have a ceiling wet or anything like that. So the whole idea is to waterproof really the area and make sure you don't have to worry about it. Obviously, if you open the door, the water's gonna go through the door if it gets that bad. But the whole idea is to make sure it's totally safe. Okay, now obviously when this is the first layer, then if it's the first floor, you're gonna have something like this. It's gonna be a Go board over the waterproofing and all of those parts. Now, tile installation for this bathroom, I'm gonna share with you. So where's the tile? Here's tile work for this bathroom. It's $12,270, and let me share with you what is this couple work. This is a way, this is half more expensive than yours. This is only for one bathroom, but this is what it looks like. This is a regular natural stone bathroom, so it's a way more steps to do the installation, the grouting, the entire process. It's just more fragile, so it's a lot more costly to the installation. So this bathroom also has a pattern on the floor. See that? It has a pattern on the floor. So this tile, it's a lot more work. That's why it's a lot more expensive. Just this bathroom is $12,000 and change. Again, it's natural stone. So your price is waterproofing, it's 2 tile. The reason for that is the price are lower is because what I hear from your conversation, to maximize the budget and also the selection we're going is we're doing ceramic tile, we're not doing any stone, nothing like that. So stone, again, it's more steps. We gotta install it, then we gotta seal the stone, then we gotta clean, then we gotta seal, then we gotta do grout. It's a lot of more steps. Okay, so I hope that give you a full understanding of what that process look like. Any questions? I'm here to make your life easier, and I'm so sorry I couldn't get back to you early, but I want to make sure I put the time and explain to you exactly what is involved in the entire process. Tile work, yeah, that's it. And obviously for this bathroom, the selections were a lot more expensive. You see this bathroom only tile is $7,283. The bathtub was $1,690. The shower finish fixture is $1,500. It is a lot more high-end bathroom. They spend way more money, than standard bathrooms. But at the same time, it's just what the expectation were with this type of bathrooms. Let me see if I have the end product. Yep, this is the final product. Let me see if I can share with you a little better picture. So that's the glass. This is the one. It has a chair here. This is the bathroom. Finished fixtures. There's a mirror. Obviously, it's not gray angle. I share with you. Here's the faucet, things like that. If you see right there, only the hooks is $600. So obviously, the budget for this bathroom is a lot more higher. They spent $73,000 on this bathroom, full got out. I think the house was built in 1924, if I'm not wrong. And here is actually, this is a better picture. We were doing the final installation, the faucets, the trim work, and all of those things. Yeah, this is what it looked like from here. Obviously, we still have our plastic stuff like that in there. All right, I hope this give you that understanding. And listen, $12,000 is a lot of money. 100% agree with you. But I want to make sure you have full understanding where you spend your money, how the money being spent. That's one of the reasons we put the budget the way we put it. So you understand, the first thing, you work hard for your money. And we want to make sure we are the guidance that you know where the money is being spent. So any questions, I'm here to make your life easy, and I'm here to support. And I'm so sorry again to answer your question a little too late. But I want to make sure I put a time to do the right way and to answer the best way possible again.